Okay, I'm going to show you how to turn grid lines on or off on your Android phone's camera. And we're going to do this on two different phones, since it's usually in a different place depending on your device. On a Samsung phone, we'll go to the camera, and once the camera is open, we'll first go to Settings. A lot of times this is tucked behind those four little dots, so I'll tap that to see more options, then tap the gear icon to get into the main camera settings. Once you're in there, scroll down a bit, and under the General category, there's a toggle for Composition Guide. Sometimes that might be labeled Grid Type or something similar. You can toggle that on or off, and choose between grid lines, level, or both. If you want it off, just toggle it off, or if you like using it, toggle it on. I kinda like the grid, helps you compose your photos and videos better. If you're using something like a Motorola, Google Pixel, or another phone running stock Android, go into the camera app and either at the top or bottom, locate the little gear icon for settings. On this Pixel, I see a couple of options here, and to see more settings, I'll tap those three dots to view more camera settings. And again, under Composition, we've got Grid Type. I can choose No Grid or pick from a couple of different grid styles available on this phone. And that is how you turn the grid on your Android camera on or off. Go ahead and click that like button down there if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.